What's up guys, this is Harry Cook's Bread. As you can see, we're at a different setup because today we're filming our 100 sub special, debuting my very own bread recipe. Well, this isn't actually my own bread recipe because obviously I'm not a chef or anything. So I decided to use the next best thing, AI. Now, I didn't actually think to screen record me asking Copilot for the goofy bread recipe, but this is what it came up with. Gross out garlic and pickle bread. With all that being said, I want to take a quick moment to thank you all for 100 subs. This means a lot to me. You're the real OGs now, once I get big, and thank you all for subscribing, and let's go into it. Alright, so it's been 5 minutes, here's what it looks like. Alright, so the next step after 5 minutes, you gotta take your flour, shake it in like this. At least that's what my mom said, because like if I dump it in, it'll explode or whatnot. Alright, now we're good. Next is the salt. Just dump that in there like that. Then we have our olive oil and pickle juice, which we just pour in like that. And then all you gotta do is stir it until it turns into a dough. Here's the machine stirring for me because I'm extremely lazy. Alright, while this is stirring, you're gonna want to add in some garlic and pickles and just let it do that. Okay, so our Bluetooth button kind of malfunctioned. You missed the part with me dramatically adding in the pickles and garlic and stuff, but here it is mixing around. Alright, so now that it's done doughing, we're gonna lower this, take out this dough hook if I can figure out how to. I'm not very competent in baking.
One eternity later.
Alright, so I've managed to take the dough hook off with the assistance of my mom. And now I'm gonna figure out how to take the bowl out. This may be a bit harder than I thought.
Rotate it up from the handle.
Okay.
Not that handle, the handle of the bowl.
This handle.
Just up.
Up. Rotate it up.
Pivot.
Alright, so as you can see, it's dough now. We're gonna take some olive oil, extra virgin, because I think that means like healthy or whatever. We're just gonna spread it around the side of the bowl like that. That should be enough. I mean, never such thing as too much olive oil. We're just gonna like that around the bowl until it's all evenly coated. Just like that. Yep. Alright, so what you're gonna do now, you're gonna take some saran wrap. The recipe says a wet cloth, but my mom said to do this in case our cats get to it. You know, you don't want cats in your pickle bread. Nobody likes that. I'm just gonna rip this and leave this to sit for an hour.
Until it's doubled in size.
Until it's doubled in size, yeah. Alright, I got some geometry homework to go do, so I'll see y'all in a bit. Alright, so it's been an hour. As you can see, take this off. It's gotten a lot bigger, if it's in frame, yeah. Alright, so what we're gonna do now, next it says to punch it down. I'm training for when I make my YouTuber boxing debut, because that's a popular thing now. Next, I gotta kind of like use my hands to just kind of shape it into a loaf, because we're gonna put it in this baked bread pan right here. This is the most important part, the most crucial part, the transition, because if you drop it, you're cooked. So once you're done squishing it, you're gonna pick this up and kind of just like scoop it into there. I'm gonna put it in there, like so. See, beautiful. I'm gonna do the little. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna take this plastic wrap here and just really drape it over it. You could also use a damp paper towel or well, baking cloth or whatever, but my mom thinks that's gross. She's a germaphobe, like basically every other mom. Same process. Take it over here on your oven to make it look cool and dramatic, and then you're just gonna let that sit for 30 minutes. Alright, so it's been 30 minutes, the oven's done preheating. The loaf has gotten pretty big. Pick it up like so, don't drop it. It's a very important part in the cooking process. You're gonna shove it in here for a bit, close the door, and you're gonna put it in here for anywhere in between 30 to 35 minutes and let it cook, not bake, cook. That should be good. And we'll wait. It's been 30 minutes now, so what we do, we take it out. Take this out of it so you don't burn your hands. And then just pick it up like so, bring it over to the stove, and voila! It's pretty big. So now all we gotta do is let it cool off and then the taste test. So, now that it's all fully baked, this is the most important part, the transfer. What you're gonna do, you're gonna take the parchment paper and lift the bread up with it. Now you're gonna take your bread machine, I can't say that word because I'm gonna get taken off of YouTube, ban hammered, whatnot. And then we're gonna, what's a non-copyright word for cut?
Cut.
Right, so get a relatively thick slice, I guess. Oh man. Alright, so here it is. Here's the inside. It smells pretty good, actually. I've worked all afternoon for this and gotten to 100 subscribers for this. I hope this doesn't end up to be really bad. 3, 2, 1. No, that's really good.
Bruh.
Hey, well, this is actually very good. Alright guys, you can try this recipe. Hold on. Alright. Y'all should definitely try this. It's actually really good. Anyways, thank y'all so much for watching. If you're new here, make sure to like and subscribe because I need money. I'm broke. I need more videos. And thank y'all for watching. Peace.